Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure location and internet are active so maps can pinpoint you. Open the app and type the exact address or place name. Once done, tap directions and pick your mode: driving, transit, walking, because each mode changes routes and ETA. Make sure to select the correct departure time if needed. Then glance at suggested routes and tap the one you prefer to proceed into navigation. Now customize the route. Tap the three dots to avoid tolls, highways, or ferries, and drag or add stops to adjust the path. Once you set a departure or arrive-by time, Maps recalculates traffic-aware ETA. You should preview turn-by-turn steps to anticipate tricky intersections. Then tap Start. Make sure voice guidance and lane guidance are enabled so you get spoken directions and lane prompts while driving for safer, smoother navigation. As you near the destination, follow the final turns displayed and tap End to stop active navigation. If you need to continue, enter a new destination and start again. If positioning is off, toggle location or airplane mode, or download offline maps for poor signal areas so navigation won't drop. For persistent errors, report the problem in the app so maps can update. This helps prevent repeated wrong directions for you and others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.